Mastering the digital basics. Uploading files. Hello, friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a digital phrase that's crucial in the tech-savvy world we live in. Upload a file. Whether you're sending a document to a colleague or sharing your latest photo on social media, knowing how to articulate this process is key. Let's get started and master this essential term together. Uploading, in its simplest form, means transferring data from one device to another, typically from your personal device to the internet. When you upload a file, you are sending it from your local computer to a remote server, making it accessible from anywhere via the web. There are several reasons why we might need to upload files. Sharing, to share documents or media with others. Storage, to save files in cloud storage for backup or to free up space on our devices. Collaboration, to work with others on the same document in real time. Publishing, to post content online, like articles, photos, or videos. The process of uploading can vary slightly depending on the platform or service, but the basic steps are generally the same. 1. Choose the file. Locate the file you want to upload on your device. 2. Select Upload option. Click the Upload button or link on the website or service you're using. 3. File selection. A window will pop up, allowing you to navigate to and select your file. 4. Start the upload. After selecting the file, it will start to upload. A progress bar may appear to show the upload status. 5. Completion. Once the upload is complete, the file is now stored on the remote server and is accessible via the internet. Here are some tips to ensure a smooth upload process. Check file size limits. Some services have a limit on how large an uploaded file can be. Use strong internet connection. A weak connection can interrupt the upload process. Know your privacy settings. Understand who can see your file once it's uploaded. File format. Make sure the file format is supported by the platform you're uploading to. And there you have it. You're now familiar with the phrase, upload a file, and the process behind it. Uploading files is a fundamental skill in our digital lives, empowering us to share and store information effortlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video makes your digital interactions even smoother. Happy uploading!